Alright y'all, it's Seriously Quisha back with another video, and today I'm going to be piercing my nose. So let's get into it. Let's do it. Let's get it done. So my man is going to be helping me. So I already cleaned my nose. Now I'm finna mark where I want it. But I don't know what to use. Let me see.
It's not gonna affect anything.
I hope not. I use this. It's makeup stuff. I don't even know.
The other girl had hers like right here. Right there.
What you think?
That's fine.
So I'm thinking about right here. I got a little kit from Amazon, so we finna try it out.
I need to look at this again, just double check.
Okay, maybe I should mark it again. I read on Google, if you have a mole on this side of your face, you should put your piercing on this side. But I have a mole on both, but this one's bigger than that one, so I feel like it'll look good. Anyways, let me mark it again. It's a good spot. Let me see. Yeah, that's a good spot.
If you're upside down, does it fall out?
Huh?
You're like upside down, can it fall out? Wait, what? Let's do this thing.
So we finna do this.
Cleaned it yet, right?
Yeah, I cleaned it. Now, you want me to clean it again with this one?
You already drew.
I can draw it again.
No, don't worry. I can use that. Unless you want to clean this with it.
You gotta be doing your job. It's gonna be so freaking cute.
It's gonna hurt.
Up here's. Wait, let me see. Let me just do this just in case.
You clean the inside?
Yeah, but let me clean it again.
Your dirty nose.
It's the hating from me.
So let's mark this thing for the last time. That did not go well for me.
Why am I marking it so big?
Okay, so this is the final dots. Let's go. You ready? This shouldn't take too long, right? Yeah. It's gonna be so cute.
It's gonna be painful.
Okay.
You ready? Well, I gotta put it in there.
You see the dot?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Okay. What? Don't trick me though.
I know.
Wait, now you making me paranoid.
Here, you wanna do it yourself?
Okay, come on. Let's do it. What? Don't snap until you tell me.
Okay. I gotta measure first. You ready?
Hopefully you're at the right angle.
It's right here. You ready?
Wait, you can stop smiling.
You ready?
Wait, you can stop smiling.
You ready?
Wait, you mean stop smiling. Okay, wait. Okay.
You ready? You okay?
Holy shit.
I know it stings a bit, right?
I can't even move. Oh. I can't. Oh my god. I'm like stuck. Is it in? Is it in my nose? Huh? Did it go through?
It went through. I don't know if it went through enough.
Oh, you didn't do it enough.
Hold on.
Oh.
So you tell me I went through all that pain for you not to do it right?
What the? Ouch. Ow.
Dude, it didn't even go all the way in.
Bro,
What? Can we press it in some more?
I ain't got no choice. Now it really gonna hurt. Cause this is like a one-time use thing. How do I even use this twice?
Hold on, the thing fell off.
It's right there. Bro, I should have just did it myself.
What?
Oh, the fuck. I need you to come push it down. Did this shit go in? Did it go in?
Let me see. It needs to pierce through.
Did it? Did it go in or not? You ain't even answered me yet. I don't know, y'all. This was a fail. Or is it not long enough? I don't know. What?
Hey, make sure you press down all the way hard.
I will.
Yeah. But just stay. Well, yeah. Let me know if you get started.
Okay, I'm finna try it again. What, you want to be on the phone?
Yeah, stay on.
Okay. Do this again. Somehow we got the needle back in the things to be able to press it again. So, let me see, can I find the hole though? So I need to just hold it like this.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. One, two. Okay. Did it go through? Please tell me it went through. Oh, it worked. Oh, it worked that time, y'all. It worked. Woo. Woo. Yes, I pressed it hard. Wait, hold on. I can't hear you. What'd you say?
I said earlier, I probably didn't press it super hard because I
You said you didn't want to what?
didn't. I pressed it hard, but I didn't know how hard I needed to go because I didn't want it to die.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Is it the same hole or you think it's a different hole?
It should be the same, but I had to press down hard till I couldn't press no more. I know my nose is thick.
It is.
Oh my god, it's so cute. We did it. I just
Trial and error, right?
I just hope he don't get infected. Oh my god. See, I had to do it myself. I had to do it myself because a certain someone can do it. So
Hey, I went super hand.
I want.
it's cute.
Mommy.
Don't hurt too bad either.
Mommy.
Well, you did it one time.
Mommy.
Already, so.
Mommy.
And what if I got two of these things? Two of these piercings. Boy, that junk could be too far. Maybe in another video I'll record that. So that's the end of this video. If y'all like this, like it, comment, subscribe to my channel. You know what to do. Peace.